Okay, so this is the trade we took by market execution earlier. You can see that currently we're in profit. How do we know we're in profit? We picked a buy, and you can see that the candlestick is buying. So the red candlesticks means that it's a sell. The green candlesticks mean that the market is buying. So currently it's buying and it's still going up. So we are in profit. So now I want to teach you how to break even. Okay, so this is how you break even. What does it mean to break even? Break even means that you're in a trade, okay? The trade is going in profit, okay? Now, you don't want to lose anything after this trade goes in profit. Currently, on this trade, you're supposed to lose $6 to make, we are risking $6 to make $26, okay? Now, we want to break even. Break even means that you're not going to drag this your SL, right? You're going to drag it to the point of your entry. You're going to drag to the point of your entry and you modify the trade. So there are two ways to do this. So I'm already doing the first one, so let me show you. I'll drag this up to this point, somewhere very close, and I'll click on this blue arrow here. This blue arrow shows that there's a change happening on this active trade. So I'll click on it. Now, I need to change my SL to entry, meaning the point at which I enter the market is where I want to drag my stop loss to. So I entered the market at 104351. So this is the point of my stop loss. So I'm going to edit it to 104351.51 and modify. So you can see that currently my SL and my entry are both at the same level. So if for any reason this trade reverses, I will not lose because my SL and my entry are on the same point. So this is how you break even. Another way you can break even is by clicking on trade, then hold on to this, and then you see this modify position. Click on modify position. Okay, so that same view that we had is the same view here. Say I want to just move it a bit higher. I don't want to break even can also mean dragging your SL above your entry. Okay, so what we saw earlier was SL on top of the entry, meaning I will not lose anything and I will not gain anything if the market reverses. But this time around, let me show you another way to break even. So I have to take it above my entry. So this is my entry is 104351. What is the market now? The market is at 104633. So I'll just do 104 450. Okay, and then modify. So if I come back to chart, you can see now that my SL is above my entry. Meaning if this market should reverse, I'll be leaving with 0.98 USD. But if it continues and hits my take profit, I'm going with 26 USD. I hope this is clear. If so, these are two ways you can break even. Either you break even exactly on your entry, on your point of entry, or you break even a bit above your entry, so that even if the market reverses, you have something to gain. But I don't advise to break even above your entry like I did. Why? Because this market can still reverse and still go in our favor. There's still space. It can still start to go down and still come and still buy again. But in that case, I will be kicked out of the market. So even if the market finally hits TP, I won't be part of the trade. So give the market some breathing space so that before you put your SL above your entry, except the instructor says or the person that gave the trade says break even, then you can now break even, basically.